children, today we are going to see chapter 3 working with function type C, question number 7. So here they ask us to write the function to generate the random number. Okay, here the checkpoint is we have to give the number of digits. The random number, how many number of digits random number it has to generate, that you can specify. So 2-digit random number or 3-digit random number, how many digits random number it has to generate, that you can specify in the function. Okay, so let us start the program. Here input is going to be number of digits. You are going to give number of digits random number you want. Okay, then output will be, it will generate the random number. For example, here one checkpoint is there. Here upper limit is 10 power 2 minus 1. By means of this calculation you are going to find out the range. Okay, so for example, here I am giving 10 to the power of x minus 1. If I am giving like this, for example, I am giving the number of digits, random number it has to generate, x is equal to 3 I am giving. Okay, so how it will change here, 10 to the power of 3 minus 1 will come. Okay, then what will happen, 10 to the power of 2. Okay, this will be my upper limit. Okay, upper range. Here what will happen, 10 to the power of 1. Okay, then minus 1. So here what will be my range, 9 will be my range. Here what will be my range, here 100 will be my range. 100, yes, 100 will be my range, equal to 100. So by means of this formula you are going to calculate the limit, upper limit and lower limit. So by means of this, 9 to 100 means only if you are giving this range 9 to 100, it will give you only the 2-digit numbers. It will give only the 2-digit numbers. Okay, let us proceed the program now. So first I should define the function. And one more thing, for generating the numbers randomly, we should import a module. First let us do that. Import random. Now I imported random module into my program. Next, what is the work? Next has to define the function. So def ran1 will be my function name. So what is the input I am going to give to this function? Only one value, x is my input, that also number of digits. I want the random number. Okay, that is x is the number of digits which I want the random numbers. Okay, so x only I am going to give the, I am going to pass the parameter to this function. So what it has to do, a is equal to, from using this x value, it has to find out the upper limit and lower limit. Okay, so for finding the upper limit and lower limit, I am going to use that formula, not a formula, that 10 power x minus 1. Okay, x minus 1 I am going to give. This is my upper limit. Then my lower limit will be 10 power x minus 1. This is my lower limit. Okay, then what it has to return? It has to return the random number. We have calculated now upper limit and lower limit. From this, what it has to return? It has to generate a random number. Random dot rand int of a comma b, upper limit comma lower limit. So this function is going to generate a random number between the range. Okay, next, what is the input function? Number of digits. In number of digits, we want the random number that we have to get from the user. Int of input input the number of digits. Okay, so the random number should contain how many number of digits, that you have to specify. Then I should call that function ran1. Then I am going to pass x value to that function. Then I am going to print the value which I got from the function. Okay, now execute this. So it's asking for number of digits. Number of digits I am giving 3. Okay, so 808 it has generated. Here you can see the example which I gave. Here x value is equal to 3. So 3 minus 1, 10 to the power of 2, that is 100. This formula only we have used in the program, 100. This is my upper limit, this is my lower limit. And 10 to the power of x minus 1, 10 to the power of 3 minus 1, that is 1000 minus 1, 999 will be my upper limit. So upper limit and lower limit we have given in the program. Then it has generated a random number 808. Children, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comments. Thank you, children.